Cats, welcome back to Wildcat TV. I'm McKenna.
And I'm Barrett, and today we're excited to inform you about all the fun stuff we have going on right now.
First up, a quick reminder that tonight is a suicide prevention benefit concert.
Happening right here in our pack at 5 o'clock.
In recent years, our community here in the Snoqualmie Valley has been troubled by the effects of suicide.
Did you know that suicide is the second leading cause of death for youth ages 10 to 24 in Washington State? And it's happening right here in the Snoqualmie Valley.
I'm Morgan Henley, and I have the distinct honor of being the MC November 1st at Mount Si High School for the Suicide Prevention and Awareness event. To help support the trail youth, we'll have two local Valley entertainers for you, Austin Jenks and Paris the Prince. We come together to raise awareness, prevention, and create hopefulness. To get tickets to this event, please visit trailyouth.org. We look forward to seeing you on November 1st at Mount Si High School.
Let's come together and support this awesome event for the youth. We'll see you on the 1st.
Make sure to be there.
Let's stop stalling and get right into it with Jaylin Does Sports.
Hey Cats, welcome back to Jaylin Does Sports. We're here at girls soccer now. We're winning 5-0. Yup.
So much exciting. Seriously. So much more exciting.
People really loved it.
I didn't even see that.
What just happened? Drew.
Yellow card.
For who?
What does the yellow card mean, Jaylin?
It means they're off the field. How are we feeling post-game, fans?
I mean, I don't know. We just got here, but that was domination.
Where did your voice go?
It was gone a few hours ago. Last game, actually.
Why?
Last game, I was getting too hyped. You know, what can I say? It's amazing seeing these ladies out here destroying the competition.
We're here with G, Maya, JoJo. How are we feeling post-game? 5-0 win?
Pretty good, I think. Yeah, pretty good. Fantastic.
Solid. Solid. How are you feeling on a personal level of how you played?
I thought I played pretty well. Got a goal. I didn't let any goals in.
Yeah? Mid. All right. Do you guys have any advice or anything important to say to the people of the world? Pizza! That's beautiful. Okay. I think we crushed. I want to go home now.
Wow, that was awesome.
Next up is a serious one. Next Thursday, we're doing our Veterans Day Assembly. Let's review some expectations.
Hey Cats, we have a Veterans Day Assembly on November 7th, and it's important to review the expectations we need to uphold to honor our veterans properly. Please leave your phones in your backpacks. When you head to the gym, walk directly there and sit with your first period class. Use this map to find your designated seating area on the bleachers. If your first period class is in the 2000s, 7000s, 6000s, or 1000s building, you'll be dismissed for the assembly at 9:03. If you're in the 5000s or 3000s building, you'll be dismissed at 9:05, and if you're in the 4000s building, you'll be dismissed at 9:07. Please leave at your designated time and sit in your designated area. Throughout the assembly, it's essential to be quiet and respectful. We have real veterans sharing their stories, and they deserve our full attention. Remember, talking, laughing, or using your phone is disrespectful. If your phone is out, it will be taken away. When moving to your seat, use the designated stairway instead of walking on the bleachers to ensure everyone's safety. Veterans Day is a time to show our respect and honor those who have served for our country. Take a moment to thank any family members who have been in the military and express your appreciation for their sacrifices. Thanks, Cats!
Remember, Cats, make sure you're being respectful to the speakers and the people around you. And now we have something new for you guys. Animal Science is hatching chickens.
Hey there, Cats. Today we're hanging out with Animal Science as they experience the magic of baby chicks hatching hands-on.
Okay, so in my animal science classes, we are hatching chicks, and students are learning the entire process, the scientific process of hatching a chick and the growth process.
Interested? Just scan the QR code and follow their journey through the live stream. Who can resist watching these adorable fluff balls take their first wobbly steps?
Last thing, There is a Mountain Bike Appreciation Club interest meeting today during lunch in room 4309.
Hey cats, are you into mountain biking or just want to learn more? Swing by room 4309 today during Mega Lunch and join us for the Mountain Bike Appreciation Interest Meeting. It doesn't matter whether you're experienced or just starting out, everyone's welcome. Bring your lunch and come check it out. Can't wait to see you there.
Well, that's all we have for today, cats. Just keep remembering to make those
Hashtag Wildcat Moments 2025.